Hey Afton, how are you? I wanted to show you what we have here. So this is your app. This is how it's looking, and of course we can configure the welcome screen. So we want users to sign in. So when they do this, they can either sign in with their email address. If they do so, they get a PIN code in their email and they put it back here, or they can sign in with Google, which is what I'm going to do. So let's say I log in with this email address. And if I log in with Google, then I don't need to get that PIN code. So we want users to fill out their profiles because at the end, this is super useful for you. So I can upload a profile picture. So let's choose this one. My bio. And I can add my phone number, my LinkedIn, and my website. After I've done so, I click the Take Me In button, and then I have my profile, my bio, and then it's pending approval, right? So there's nothing I can do yet. I just have my profile here. So on my other screen, I am logged in as the admin, so now I'll approve this user. I just did that. And in a second, they should be updated. There we go. So this user has been approved, right? So if I go to, let's allow this. So users can add, so let's go back to my profile quickly. Then there are businesses, posts, and job openings, right? So I can add any of those. I can add a business, I can add posts, I can do that from here or from the other screen, and I can add job openings. Everything is going to the admin, and I'll get to that in a sec. So let's say I want to create a new business profile. So I can upload a logo for this. I can add an address. Florida. Phone. Description. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I have created this business and it's pending an approval for the admin. Same thing for the job openings, right? I can create a new gig. And you'll have to approve them all. So when am I hiring for this? Let's say on Monday. Salary range. So remote. Click submit, and then I have my job opening here. So if I go back on businesses, I have these businesses that you have approved as an admin, right? So I can filter them by location. I see how far they're away. And of course, we can change the distance setting and show something else or category or something, right? So in this case, we have Food Bazaar, the owner information. Then we click this. It calls their phone, their description, their map, location, and if they have at that business any job openings, then users can add comments here. We can look at this in the map view as well, right? So this is the other view. And not only from your profile, but you can add a business from this plus icon. And again, everything goes to you as the admin for approval. Then we have the posts. These don't require approval, so users can add a new post. They can post an image if they want to do so. So they upload here the image. They can share a link. So we change that field for a link. They can share a video like a YouTube or Vimeo or something, and then just maybe text, right? So when they do so, posts. When they do so, we get the feed here, and we are ordering this by days. And going back, we have let's say the category, so link, video, image, depending on what they're sharing. And of course, you can filter by that. So when you click any of these posts, this is a link post. So we have the name of the post, the link, posted by, the content, right? And you can share this post. If you do this in your computer, you get a link. In your phone, it opens your sharing settings, and then you can chat with the post owner. If I click this button, my chats tab just appeared, and I have a chat with Jennifer, who is the user that posted that post. It's kind of redundant. If I go back, let's go to an image post. So we show it here. Yours. And then if you're sharing a video, then we bring over the YouTube video as well. And of course, users can add comments and chat and everything else. Then we have the gigs tab. So these are the job openings that users are creating. I just added one, but it hasn't been approved yet by the admin. So we have this gigs, so posted by, the job info, days left for me to hire, salary range, working time, contact, description, and a map. You can search by pretty much any field, like, creative. So anything that we have in text will pop up on the search bar. So you have like Google inside of your app. I mean, it only searches for the content that's in the app, right? Then we have the masterclass tab where your content is being added by you as an admin. So we have an image, text, the name of the item or class or whatever, description, and then get access here. And in this case, it actually opens your Kajabi. How do I go back? Let's go back here. And then we have our chats tab, and we also have our community tab where all of the approved users show up here. Now, I'm gonna make this user an admin so that you get to see how you will do everything. Give me a sec. So, profile, admin. Okay. So now this user is an admin. Okay, now get the admin tab. I can manage my users. So right now I don't have any users pending to be approved. I have just these approved users. And then you can look at their profiles. We have their email address, their phone, their LinkedIn, their website. You can disapprove this profile in case they stop paying you, whatever. And then we have these three, what do we call it, choice component. So this user has this business. You can look at the business. This user has added this many posts, and this user has created these job openings. So let's disapprove this profile, and then she goes back to pending. She lost access to the app, right? Then you can manage businesses. So I just created the Freebirds when I started showing you this app. So I can click this, see the like everything that this user added about their business. And then you can approve this business, and then that business just went live to the businesses tab. Here's the Freebirds, right? Coming back, then we have manage masterclass items. So you have your content, and then you can add new items. So you add the title, the image, the description, and the link to your Kajabi. And then when you do so, they pop up here. And then, of course, users can add these to their favorites. And then manage job listings. So I just added this one, the virtual assistant one. So I can check this out and approve this gig so that that becomes live in the app. And then you have all your approved ones, and you can unapprove them, of course, disapprove, so that they don't show anymore in the main app. So that's how it works. I'm gonna add you to our project manager so that you can review and add tasks for any of the changes you want made. I hope you like it. So this is almost ready for delivery. We just need to do some final tweaks that you need. And yeah, we can push this live to your users. So I hope you liked it. Let me know. Talk soon.